Hello students, welcome to Social Science Chapter 1 History Swadeshi Movement. First question is why Swadeshi movement is called Swadeshi movement. Then you know during Swadeshi movement people, the leaders of this movement laid stress on the use of Swadeshi goods and institutions. They uh, made a clarion call to the common people to use Swadeshi goods. Therefore, it is called Swadeshi movement. It is also called boycott movement because the leaders boycotted foreign goods and institutions. Foreign goods and institutions, educational institutions, industrial products were boycotted. Foreign means British, England's, you see, goods and institutions that were there in our country. Therefore, it is also called boycott movement. It is also called anti-partition movement. Why it is called anti-partition movement? Because this movement was started against the partition of Bengal. The British government partitioned Bengal into two units, Eastern Bengal and Western Bengal. Therefore, people call it, people started a movement against this partition and it is called anti-partition movement. It happened in 1905 and that time Lord Curzon was the Viceroy of India. This partition of Bengal took place in 1905 during the tenure of Lord Curzon, Viceroy. Now you see, it is called the second most political upheaval after 1857. We have read several times the revolt of 1857 in class 7, 8. You may have read. In 9 also you have read. Then this revolt of 1857 was the most dangerous revolt for the Britishers. It proved to be a nightmare for them. दुस्वप्न लग रहा था. They were thoroughly expelled from India, but their supporters were in every nook and corner of this country. With their help, they suppressed the revolt and re-established themselves. Then after that revolt, this Swadeshi movement was the most political upheaval in India. It was a successful movement because ultimately in 1911 the British Parliament had to withdraw this partition plan of Bengal. अब बात करते हैं कारण क्या थे. कारण क्या थे? बैकग्राउंड what is the background? In page number it is बैकग्राउंड पेज नंबर 2. बैकग्राउंड क्या था इसका? देखिए, बैकग्राउंड को समझने की कोशिश करिए. कुछ चीजें हैं, समथिंग यू सी, द थिंग इज दैट इन 1773 the British Parliament passed regulating act. In class 9 we discussed it. And the governor of Bengal was given immense power. He was empowered, and the governor, he became governor general, and the governors of Madras and Bombay became his subordinate. Centralized system of administration started. As a result, what happened? The area of administration for the Governor General of Bengal became huge. Second one, in 1874, the state of Assam was created, and in this state 6 districts of this region was included. These were the background. These were the background for the partition of Bengal. And you see, very important, R.H. Kittings became the first chief commissioner of Bengal when first chief commissioner of Assam when the Assam state was created. Very important it is. R.H. Kitting became the first chief commissioner of Assam, and 6 districts were included in this state that time. You will read the names, you will find out the name of these districts in page number 2, last paragraph. Those names are very important. Next is Andrew Fraser and J.B. Fuller. These 2 officers were very important for Lord Curzon. He was the chief commissioner of Madhya Pradesh and J.B. Fuller was the chief commissioner of Assam. They helped Lord Curzon in preparing the proposal for the partition of Bengal. Next you see planning of Andrew Fraser and Risley paper. Write a note on Risley paper, बहुत important, 3 marks, it carries 3 marks. And Andrew Fraser became the Lieutenant Governor of Bengal, and Lord Curzon directed him to prepare a proposal for the redemarcation of the boundary of the state of Bengal. He did it, and in his proposal he suggested that 3 regions should be annexed to 3 regions, just as these regions are Rajshahi, Chhattagram, and one more. 3 regions should be annexed to Rajshahi, Chhattagram, and Dhaka. Rajshahi, Chhattagram and Dhaka should be annexed to the neighboring state of Assam. This was his suggestion. And after that, after preparing this proposal, Andrew Fraser sent this proposal to Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon was the viceroy that time, and Lord Curzon sent this proposal to Risley, Herbert Risley, who was the Secretary of State for India in England, the chief ruler, मेन रूलर जो था ना, शासक जो भारत इंग्लैंड की सरकार से इस देश को रूल कर रहा था, वायसराय और इन लोगों के सहारे, उनको ये सारा प्रपोजल भेज दिया हर्बर्ट रिस्ले को. रिस्ले साहब ने इस प्रपोजल को पास कर दिया और इसको कहा गया रिस्ले पेपर, एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड रिस्ले पेपर. ये 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है. व्हाट इज रिस्ले पेपर? आप सुनिए, सुन के लिख लीजिए प्लीज़. हम कोशिश करेंगे कि इसका आंसर दें, लेकिन आप लिखिए, आप पढ़िए. नेक्स्ट इज देन this was the background. They partitioned Bengal on the pretext that Bengal was a big state. You know, the Governor General, he became Viceroy. Governor General had to look after the affairs of Mumbai, Madras and Bengal. And Bengal means, in those days, Bengal means, today's it means Bangladesh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa, Bihar. These regions were included in Bengal. Therefore, it was actually a big state. very often famine took place. People died of hunger. Then these were the regions they cited out. Next is, but what were their you see what were their intention? माने ये तो रीजन वो दिखा रहे थे, दिखावा का रीजन था. उनकी मनसा क्या थी, वो चाहते क्या थे? वो चाहते थे, देखिए ये देखिए 1857 in 1857 the revolt of 1857 took place, and in this revolt was successful, though it was crushed, but this revolt became the symbol of Hindu Muslim unity, which they did not want. They wanted to, they partitioned Bengal because they wanted to break Hindu Muslim unity. Second one. Next is in combined Bengal, in single Bengal, the Hindus were in majority, but when it was divided, the Bengali Hindus became minority in the state. This is what he wanted. And most important is that the growth of nationalism was very strong in Bengal, which the British did not want. At one place, someone says, perhaps it is Lord Curzon said, the United Bengal is a big force, so it must be divided. जो यूनाइटेड बंगाल है ना, बहुत बड़ी ताकत है. तो ये सारे तीन रीजन्स उनके जो हैं, वो तीन बातें हैं जो वो, ये तो बैकग्राउंड है और ये तीन बातें. थैंक यू. ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा आपको. पेज नंबर मैंने दिखाया, वहाँ से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. फिर अगले दिन जो है हम इसके आगे को एक्सप्लेन करते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू. पसंद आएगा, आप इसे ज़रूर देखिए और अपना रिएक्शन व्हाट्सएप पर लिखिए. आपको इसमें क्या समझ में नहीं आया, और डिटेल में आप बुक को पढ़िए. ज़्यादा मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ, अभी पेंडेमिक चल रहा है. आप सुरक्षित रहिए. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस टाइम.